Today we are reviewing the Cuisinart Espresso Machine. So if you want to make your own espressos from home, stay tuned. Cheers. Today I'm reviewing the Cuisinart Espresso Maker. Now, before I get into that, I want to show you, this just simply comes off and you get your ground coffee over here. And I have the Zule Kitchen ground coffee maker, and then you just pop that on there and turn it to the right, and that's how it's turned on there. You then push the power button, and after that, all that you really need to know is this dial right here. So power button's on, heating button should be red, and you're just simply gonna turn this to the left to make your espresso, just like that. And you wanna keep an eye on it because it's a little cup, obviously, and it's gonna be brewing. And once it gets to a certain point, you're gonna want to stop it. And basically, so this is the espresso and this is the steam for right here. Oh, geez. So it's getting there right now. So I'm gonna turn it there and good to go. So that might actually overflow a little bit, we'll see. But once again, this is the espresso, this is the steam. All you do is turn this dial, turn it on. That heating will indicate that it's warm. And then there you go, you have it, your espresso. Very simple, very easy, and heated up and ready to go. This unit is really nice. It's actually really nice with the Zule Kitchen Espresso grinder because this grinds the beans in like 5 seconds, if it's just for yourself at least. So they go really well together, hand in hand. And with that being said, if you do want to have the highest quality coffee, I personally recommend Purity Coffee. I recommend the whole bean so you can grind it so you get more antioxidants, better flavor, and it lasts longer. So 3 advantages there to whole bean by grinding your own beans. Their coffee is not only certified organic, it's biodynamically grown. It's tested at the origin source as well as here in the US twice for any contamination. It has no mold, no heavy metals. It's registered with the Bird Institute, the Smithsonian, so it's bird-friendly coffee. And it's the highest in antioxidants and the lowest in all the bad stuff like mold or heavy metals. So it's incredible quality. Personally, I like their Flow Blend the best. I believe that is actually their highest quality or their best-selling coffee. But Purity Coffee is literally the best coffee you can get. So I put a link below right now. They're giving 30% off to new customers. So it's just puritycoffee.com/healthywildfree. So I'll put that link in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.